President Sadir Japarov congratulated citizens of Kyrgyzstan on the Kurmanite holiday. Dear Muslims, I sincerely congratulate you on the holy Islamic holiday Kurmanite. On this day, Muslims around the world perform festive Eid namaz, appealing to the Almighty, offer a ritual sacrifice and share it with relatives, neighbors and those in need. Therefore, Kurmanite is a holiday of purification and charity. For the second year in the history of independent Kyrgyzstan, the Kurmanite holiday has been held under restrictions due to the coronavirus infection. May the Almighty have mercy on those who have died from the disease and send healing to the sick. Taking this opportunity, I call on all citizens of the country get vaccinated to protect both their health and the health of others. A strong society should always be ready for all difficulties, trials and changes. Despite the fact that the current year is accompanied by such trials, we are all patiently overcoming all adversities. With generosity and perseverance, we will confidently move towards new successes. May the Almighty grant every home well-being, happiness, and remove all troubles and diseases from us. I wish this holiday to become a blessing for our country, the entire Muslim world, and bring abundance and prosperity. May the Almighty preserve our Kyrgyzstan and give us the opportunity to meet the next Kurmanite in peace and health.